What do you think about this rain, Rooster? What do you think about it? I'm with you. I'm with you. Friday, May 1st, 2020. Still misting out a little bit, but the bees don't care. As long as the rain isn't beating them into the ground, they're ready to rock. I can't get over how well this colony is just thriving. You see everybody in the cluster in there. Anyway, I just thought I'd get a clip of them rocking. Got an email from my friend Matt this morning offering to make a trade for a queen for this other colony that I did such a horrible job installing a queen on. I think I'm going to hold off on that. My friend Bob is coming over Saturday, and we're going to kind of go through this and assess it and try and figure out what the best option is. And, but I'm glad to know that I have the option to get another queen. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm pretty sure that those supersedure cells in this hive could be switched over to this hive, and we may do that because this right hand hive has quite a few bees in it. When I did that split a few weeks back, I put over quite a bit of brood with them, and those have hatched out, and there's a good population there. So I may just switch one or two of those swarm cells or supersedure cells over to that hive if they have eggs in them. But that's kind of what I'm waiting for Bob on, and we're going to go over some other options. And I'm going to ask him if we can film some or all of our exchange here. So while I learn from it, you can learn from it. And again, if you haven't checked out his YouTube channel, it's Black Bear Apiary. And I didn't realize he was uploading quite a few new videos recently. He just did one on his new Husqvarna chainsaw. If you haven't seen a chainsaw that really rips, go check that out. And I know he's got some other videos on bees and stuff. I haven't even had a chance to check those out. Things have just been crazy busy for me. But definitely go check his channel out. And stay tuned here on the Pharmacy Seeds Network YouTube channel. We're about to kick this season off. And I think, and I hope, it's going to be a good one. Pouring rain for the last hour and a half or two. Still got some bees out working in the pouring rain. These guys are troopers. Absolute troopers. Ain't quitting for nothing. So it's clearing out now. A few sprinkles still, but it's clearing. The bees are ramping right back up. The bigger bees making the different flying sound of the drones. Interesting, they're kind of buzzing out right after this rainstorm. With as full a population as this hive is, and with those supercells being built, 3 different supercells, 2 in that bottom box and 1 in that shallow box up top. And looking at that cluster of bees under there, I wonder if they might be getting ready to swarm. I wouldn't expect they would do it right today. I would think they probably would wait until tomorrow. It's supposed to be 70 and partly cloudy or sunny. It's supposed to be nice. And several days of clear weather after that. I'm all fanning. See the worker bees come running out and just poof, go off into flight. Other worker bees coming back in. Boom, boom. Bringing resources in. Look at that huge cluster. Man, there's a lot of bees in there. Oh, that is so cool to see them come running out and taking off. I think that's a drone right there. It just came out and turned around. Sorry if there's any shakiness in the camera. I'm on a really strong zoom right now. I don't want to be standing in their flight path. Taking off, foragers taking off, boom, boom, boom. Coming back in, taking off. Ready, here we go. Boom. Yes. Nature's airport. let's go have a look over at the blue hive now. Got the start of a beard almost going up the front there, but almost like they're into vertical takeoff surface over here with the entrance restrictors in. They're crawling up and taking off. Yeah, see? Crawling out and taking off. Let's go have a look in the entranceway here now. With the entrance restrictors in there, we can't really see in underneath as well, so we can't really see the cluster. There's quite a bit of activity coming in and out of that entrance, huh? I think that was a drone there. Anyway, tomorrow Bob will be over and we'll have a look at this split colony and see what the deal is and at the queen cells, and we'll figure out what the best thing to do is from there. My friend Matt also offered another option to get another queen for me, so lots of options, and we'll have a look into these colonies and we'll determine what the best thing to do is for both of these colonies and for the apiary in general. Alright, I know this may not be super interesting to some people, but those of us that really enjoy studying the bee activity up close, I just thought a few different clips throughout a rainy day would be a good thing to have a look at. I think that's it. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.